Northeast Missouri Clinic is teaming up with an area healthcare provider now. Complete Family Medicine celebrated the reopening of its clinic in Paris, Missouri this morning. The reopening is all thanks to a collaboration with Hannibal Regional Hospital. The clinic had been closed in February after a partnership with another provider ended. Dr. Mary Crawford says medical care is important to the health of a community, no matter the size.
The small communities sometimes get ignored, and we need physicians and providers, both nurse practitioners and physicians, to come and really take care of the community.
Clinic hours are from 8 a.m. until 12 p.m. and then 1:30 p.m. until 5 p.m. Monday through Friday.